And today we're taking a look at how to descale your K-Cup coffee machine. This is so simple, anyone could do. Everything that we use on the video, we're going to leave a link on the description. And today we're using the Keurig Descaling Solution. You can also use white distilled vinegar. So if you notice your machine is acting strange and you have already threatened your machine to go to the garbage, but it's not listening, don't worry. Today we're gonna drown it. I mean descaling it. You're a good machine, don't listen to them. And this is something that's recommended to do at least twice or 3 times a year, either every 6 months or every 4 months, or when you notice your machine is running poorly. And basically what descaling means is to remove the hard deposit formed by the chemicals in your water that grab on to your machine. The first thing that we want to do is remove all the water from the water reservoir. You want to clean everything on the sink, preferably with soap and water. Once we do that, we can go ahead and turn off the machine. We go ahead and pour the whole solution in the reservoir. If using vinegar, we want to fill it to the halfway point and then fill the remaining with water. If using the solution, then we take the empty bottle and refill it with water. And it's best to use filtered water. We go ahead and pour that on the reservoir. Let's go ahead and turn the machine back on. We go ahead and place a ceramic mug. We want to make sure that there's no K-pot on the machine. If there is, you want to go ahead and remove that. Open and close the machine, wait for the buttons to light up, and choose the biggest cup that your brewer can make. And this is something that we want to go ahead and repeat until the add water lights turns on. Once the cup is full, we want to discard that on the sink. Once the light turns on, to add water, leaving your coffee maker on, we want to let it stand for 30 minutes. And we do this to let the solution do its magic. After the 30 minutes are done, we can go ahead and take the reservoir to the sink and rinse it out, preferably with soap and water. We place the reservoir back on the machine and fill it up with filtered water. Now basically what we're gonna do is rinse out the machine from all the solution, and you want to use filtered water preferably. And just like before, we're gonna open the machine, close it back up, and press the button with the biggest amount. And we want to do this about 12 times. You may have to fill the reservoir a couple of times to get to the 12th time. Now that you press buttons, bored yourself looking at no coffee coming out, your machine is descaled. You can go ahead and place your favorite K-cup and drink your well-deserved cup of coffee. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, that really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.